Hi guys, it's me Morgan from Morgan's Lifestyle, and again, as you know, I know this always happens to me, I got a squishy package, and I already opened it on camera, and I went to go play it, and I guess I was already in the middle of filming a video, and basically what happened was, like, it was all really messed up, and like a bad footage video, so I already opened it, but I'm just going to show you guys again. That was my official reaction of it, but just showing you what I got. Squishy package, second chance. But yeah, so the first squishy I have is this Eric abdominal muscle bread, I think. Super squishy, and the packaging kind of ripped while I was opening it. So here is the packaging. It's like super cute packaging. But yeah, this is super adorable, and it's kind of giant, like, My head's big. I have a big head. Like this, compared to this, it's one line of it, not even. But this is super soft. Enjoy. The next sushi I have is, oh, that's nice. Okay, sorry. Alright. But the next thing I have is this License by Cutie Creative. As you can see, the Cutie Creative Quantity Seal. Cutie Creative Zombie, not Zombie Money, Red Off Money. Where is the Cutie Creative licensing on it? Is that somewhere, guys? No, I think there's licensing on the packaging, but it's so.
Is this good?
Okay, so sorry. That was for my present teacher. But yeah, so it is this Mummy squishy, and it's super soft. This is one of my new favorite squishies. It's not as good as the original foam was, just because I was so excited to open it. Oh guys, I had one more, but it's coming later. The really cool screen top, but that's coming later. I had a feeling my favorite one wasn't coming later. But yeah, the next thing I have is this I Love Squishy things. I Love Squishy. Yeah, I Love Squishy. I was gonna say Rillakkuma. Rillakkuma in a bear costume. In a bear costume. In a duck costume. You can get different costumes. I got the duck costume. It's the cutest. And it's so cute. It's so cute. This packaging's so good. It's the crinkle you want and stuff. But it's so jumbo. It's so cute. I thought it was maybe like this big. Like this compared to this thing is like jumbo. This compared to Pum Pum Purin, still jumbo. This compared to Album Sheep, jumbo. This compared to a Jumbo Panda Bun, jumbo. Okay, anyway. This kind of smells like bread, like rotten bread. Like not a bad rotten bread, but like rotten bread. That's what it smells like bread with like, oh, I don't like it. I mean, it's not bad, but it just smells weird. I don't know. I have no clue what it smells like. But let me know down below if you have this. What it's like. I got the Rillakkuma one. What was that? I don't know. I'm so struggling right now. There we go. Put that nice squishy in there. And the last thing I had is a Charmander puppy. It's so adorable. It's like so cute. It smells like the best. It has the best scent ever. And it says caution. And I can't really read it because it's all in Chinese. And then it says, this toy do not eat. Keep the child close to the guardian. Won't play with the toy. Paley, the toy? Is this Pale, the toy? Okay. I spelled a lot of words wrong. They spelled is wrong. IZ. Okay, guys. Whoever made this Charmelon puppy, I don't know if Banggood did it, but like whoever made this packaging, come on, y'all. Actually, the packaging though, it says Paley the toy. I'll leave the second one on the package. If you get this, the second one on the package says, keep the child enclosed to the guardian when Paley the toy. Is that only mine? Or... that's weird, but this squishy is amazing. Has this like oily texture to it. But it's so cute. So cute. Watch us now if you're not watching us. Hi. Okay, I'm almost done. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And you know I always end out with squishy. So I'm going to end out with the Charmelon puppy. Let me know if you'd rather have a super soft, unlicensed Charmelon puppy or this licensed, pretty hard webbing. Comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!